Okay, I'm going to go over some conversions. We're going to do two simple conversions. Let's start with 3.4 E5 milligrams, and I want you to convert this to grams. So my motto is to always have faith in the cross and start with the cross. Put what you have in the top left corner. If there's nothing underneath it, nothing goes underneath it in the cross. And then we want to get rid of milligrams. So if we have the same thing upstairs and downstairs, we can cancel. So we need to put milligrams next door downstairs. And I can go from milligrams straight to grams using my chart from the AP Physics equation sheet. This is what you'll have on the AP Physics test. And if you don't know how to read this chart, you need to go watch my video on how to read this chart. I'm working with milli, so I'll go to the milli here, and I've got 1 milligram is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 3 grams. Milligrams cancel, and grams is the only unit I have left, which is what I want, so that's good. And so 3.4 times 10 to the 5th times 1e negative 3 is what I need to enter in my calculator. You need to make sure that you know how to enter in the e and don't do times 10 caret top. So in your calculator you would put 3.4 second e 5 times 1 second e negative 3. And I get 3.4 E2. And the only unit I have left is grams. Okay, now let's do 3.2 megaseconds equals blank centiseconds. So now I'm going from something with a prefix to something else with a prefix. I always start with my cross. 3.2 megaseconds goes in the top left corner. There's nothing underneath it, so nothing goes underneath it here. I want to get rid of megaseconds, so it goes next door downstairs. Now I can only go from something with a prefix to something without. So this without a prefix would just be a second. So using my chart here for mega, I look up mega on here, and it says that 1 megasecond is equal to 1 times 10 to the 6th seconds. Now I get rid of mega, but I still haven't got my unit of centisecond, so I have to add another cross. Just keep adding crosses until you get what you want. So to get rid of seconds, it too has to go next door downstairs, and I can go from something without a prefix to something with a prefix. I look up centa, and it says that 1 centisecond is equal to 1e negative 2 seconds. Okay, I do want you to notice that in all cases, the thing that has a prefix by it has a 1. The thing that has a prefix by it has a 1. The thing that has a prefix by it has a 1. The thing that does not have a prefix by it has the number to the exponent. So again, if you don't know how to read this, go watch this video. But that's how I knew where to put those numbers. Okay, anything on top I should hit multiply in front of it. Anything on bottom I should hit divided by. If I have a simple 1, you can multiply or divide by 1 and it doesn't change anything. So in my calculator, I'll enter in 3.2 times 1 second E6 divided by 1 second E negative 2, and I get 3.2 times 10 to the 8th. And my unit is centiseconds, which is exactly what I want, so I know I'm finished. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 more problems to do, and after I give you the problems, I want you to pause and then wait for the answers. Okay? So here are the problems. I want you to convert 5.3 terameters to meters, and I want you to convert 6.7 times 10 to the 9th centiseconds to kiloseconds. Okay, pause the video, give yourself time to do them, and then unpause the video. Pause now. Okay, welcome back. Here are the answers you should have, and that is what your work should look like. So pause this now, check your work, good job if you got it right. Watch my next video if you need help on converting velocities, meters per second to kilometers per hour, etc.